Assessing a commercial solar system for removal, most contractors walk a solar site with a clipboard and guesses. The smart ones walk it like an owner's rep, documenting the system the way the asset manager actually needs it. Let me show you how your real site condition assessment should be done when the roof is coming off and the stakes are high. Step one, do your homework. Don't walk blind into a site. Before you step foot on that roof, you need to pull the as-built single line diagrams, inverter lists, module specs, roof plans, re-roofing sequencing, production history, all of it as much as possible. Because here's where it matters. The biggest headaches on these jobs happen when what's on paper doesn't match with what's on the roof. You show up unprepared and you're going to miss something, and that something will cost you. Step two, get everyone in the room. You need alignment before the first panel comes off. The roofing contractor, the roofing manufacturer rep, facilities manager, the system owner, and sometimes even the tenants. If you don't bring all the parties together up front, here's what's going to happen. Somebody's going to slow down the re-roof, or worse, the owner's going to get exposed to unnecessary risks, and that's on you. Step three, when you assess the field, now you start the real work. Let's start with the modules. You're looking for broken glass, delamination, backseat damage, cracking, corrosion, hot spots, clamps that were never meant to be used. This is going to tell you exactly which modules are not going to survive the removal and reinstall. Don't guess this part, document it. The racking and the structural, you're going to pay close attention to the rails, attachments, penetrations, roof conditions, bent hardware, corrosion that's going to avoid the warranty if you ignore it. If the rooftop structure and the re-roof plan don't agree, the whole job is compromised. The electrical system, wire condition, UV degradation, conduit integrity, unsafe terminations, grounding continuity, inverter age. This is where most R&R jobs go wrong. Why? Because brittle wiring doesn't magically get better when you open up a roof. It gets worse. And then there's the roof interface. This is the most important layer. How does the solar array interact with the solar system? Water intrusion, bad penetrations, load issues, wind exposure, trip hazard. You miss this, the re-roof crew pays the price, and then you pay the price. Step four, classify the risk. Every single finding needs a label. It's going to be intermittent, high risk removal, a re-roof conflict. Does it need an electrical upgrade? Is it a repowering candidate or a decommissioning candidate? You're going to remove the guesswork because that's what you're getting paid to do. Avoid these change orders and the delays because ambiguity costs money every time. And then step five, tell the truth about what the future of the system holds. Be honest about what that system really needs. It's simple removal and reinstall. Is it an R&R targeted with upgrades? Or is this actually the moment to repower new modules and perhaps a balance of system need to be in place and the system owner needs security? Not just in a way that gets panels off the roof, but closes the loop for any additional risk. Here's the bottom line with all of this. You got to document the system and avoid those high risk surprises and scope and indication. The same day and the next day, you have to be able to provide these reports because the faster you give this clarity, the faster the system owner can make a decision and the faster you're going to be able to bring the system back online. Here's what it all comes down to. Tell the truth. You do this right, you don't get surprises. You do this wrong, you get change orders, finger pointing, and lawsuits. Your call.